How to turn on and turn off chat notification on REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on or turn off chat notifications on your REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote app. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you've done that, head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right corner. Now this is your profile right here. Now what you'll need to do is head over to settings. To head over to settings, you should find a gear icon right beside the edit profile option. So simply tap on the gear icon and now you're on the settings. Now what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to head over to notification settings. You'll find it right below general settings. So tap on notification settings, and after you're on notification settings, you will find chat notifications. Now it's right here. Simply tap on it and now you will be able to allow different type of messages of chat. Right here you will see different messages such as private chat, group chat and stranger. If you want to turn off chat overall completely, simply toggle the button off for each and every one of them. If you do want specific messages from someone and you want notification of your chat, you can simply toggle on that very option, such as if you want group chats notifications, you can turn that on. If you want all of the chat notification, you can turn on all of these three too. And yeah, that is basically how you can turn on and turn off chat notifications on your REDnote app. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.